Crockett Jones specialise in the manufacture of high-quality Goodyear welted footwear. All of our shoes are handmade on-site at our Northampton factory. We were founded in 1879 in Northampton, at the heart of England's most famous shoemaking town. I'm Oliver Jones. I'm the Operations Manager at Crockett Jones Limited. Our partnership is relatively new, having started together 6 months ago in March 2025. After an extensive tender process, I decided Managed247 were the best fit for our business. I was impressed with the service offerings, technical capabilities and a very high service desk net promoter score, which shows a high level of competency and gave me confidence that we would be in good hands. Like most businesses, these days IT reliability is absolutely critical for us. Without it, productivity grinds to a halt. It has made a big difference having the confidence and knowledge that if something goes awry, Managed247 will get onto it quickly and efficiently, therefore minimising downtime. Looking back, the most significant change we've experienced since partnering with Managed247 is the stability and confidence we now have in our IT. Before, a lot of time was spent reacting to issues, but Managed247's proactive monitoring and support mean problems identified and resolved before they impact our team. That reliability has reduced downtime, boosted productivity and given us the assurance that our systems are in safe hands. Having Managed247 as our IT partner has allowed us to focus back to what really matters, producing high quality footwear. It's allowed us to shift our focus away from day-to-day IT challenges and put more energy into driving the business forward. That reliability and proactive support means our workforce can concentrate on delivering value to our customers and driving the business forward, rather than worrying about whether systems are going to hold us back. In many ways, they've become an extension of our team.